Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the color space on your TCL 27G64. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the settings of our TCL. So click the button and go to menu, swipe to the left. Here we will have the color, and here we can change the color space. So we can change it to sRGB, as you guys can see, now to Rec 709, DCI P3, and also the Adobe RGB. So it's totally up to you guys. I personally don't change it and use the original one. I think it's the best. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.